I won first map. Second map is my host Sovereign. I tried to invite him. Last met 4 minutes ago. And you see he's offline. He left the Xbox and go doing something else. And report that 2-1 to himself. But I won the first map and he didn't show up for this next, so this is my win. You see, I try to invite him. We can wait that last met 5 minutes ago, and then this is my win. As you can see, he's not playing Call of Duty Ghost anymore. So I beat him 6-1 on first map. I got proof for that. So this is 2-0-1 for me. Now it's last met 5 minutes ago, so it's my win. Thank you.